ब्राइटनेस पे काम करता है बैकलाइट इसका और कभी नहीं काम करता। सो करंटली आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेस्ट आउट एक्चुअली व्हाट इज नॉट वर्किंग। सो जब कस्टमर लेके आया था उस टाइम पे इसका बिहेवियर जो था एक्चुअली, जब ये जो ब्राइटनेस इंक्रीज करोगे सो इसका ब्राइटनेस का जो लेवल होता है लेवल 3 तक अगर आपका रहता था तो ये दिखता था एक्चुअली, या लेवल 2 जैसे ही थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करता था तो बंद हो जाता था। बट अभी ओपन करने के बाद में कुछ और ही दिख नहीं रहा है बिल्कुल। सो यहाँ पर ग्राफिक्स दिख रहा है बट डिस्प्ले के ऊपर बैकलाइट नहीं आ रही है। सो मैं पीसीबी को अभी आउट करता हूँ एक्चुअली।
Before starting on the logic boards, let's have a look on the schematics actually. This is the backlight and LCD connector J900. So let's search in the schematics J900. So this is called LVDS connector. This is connected to MPCH. So let's continue. Okay, here is the LCD connector actually. So let's try to find out where is the LCD backlight anode rail. And see, okay, PPB out underscore SW underscore LCD backlight. This is the anode rail. Let's copy this path and continue. This goes to page number 77 and 6. Page number 6, LVDS function test, and 77. So this is the backlight driver U9701. So what we'll do, first of all, let's turn on the device and check the power on L9701. L9701, let's copy this and go to the board view and see where it's exactly. So it's in the back side. So what we have to do, okay, this is the second number. So let's see where is the tab board and second number. Okay, so here we can get actually, but at this side actually if we are getting 8.5, if this is all okay, if this here is the LCD backlight enable signals, if this allow, then okay, we will get the 8.5 volts. So first of all we have to check here, but it's in the back side actually. We have to open the logic board and we have to check this fuse out as well actually. So let's see where is the fuse. Fuse is in the front side actually. So let me turn on this device. After turning on, as I can see actually, Okay, so let's check F9700 on the logic board. Let's set the cursor voltage 5. It's 2 or 5 is okay. So I have already set P max and P min actually. So in order to test how much is the maximum voltage. So as you can see here, actually we are getting 11.6 volt on the pad number 2. So the fuse is okay. So further we have to do more inspections actually, because we are not getting the backlight. So here is the MOSFET actually. So if this allow and this turn ons, then we'll get the 8.5 volts here on the L9701. So in that case actually I'll have to open the logic board and test this. So let me open the logic board. I have connected on the inductor pin number 1 actually, but we are not getting as we're supposed to get 12 volt. So this is coming from Q9706 actually. So we have to check this LCD backlight enable gate. So let me check this actually. LCD backlight enable gate Q9707. So after testing this Q9707 actually, that was okay. So now it's time to actually test this Q9706. So after the inspections actually we found there was an issue with the Q9706 actually. There is a pin number 3 and 4 actually. There is a voltage protections actually that works, not to go reverse and forward basically. So there was a leakage inside the MOSFETs. Due to that actually this MOSFET was not turning on and it was closing the gates basically. This doesn't allow to pass the currents actually. Like if this gates is not open, you won't get here 12 volts this side. So if there is no 12 volt and this inductor is not gonna give you the power this side, and there is the boost control switch and this is not gonna work basically. So all the way, if there is no power, there will be no backlight. So this was the issue Q9707.
Now it's time to connect the LCD this way, because I don't want to open full display right now. But we are not getting as we're supposed to get 12 volt. Okay, D2S actually is good, and let's check G2D. Actually there is a protection junction of the diode actually. There shouldn't be anything basically, because this is not connected to this point actually. We are not testing here actually, we are testing on this stage actually. So on the forward bias and on the reverse bias actually we are getting on the diode no reading. As you can see actually there is a voltage drop. both the sides. So this MOSFETs doesn't look good actually. So let me replace and see. So now it's time to change the MOSFETs actually. So this was the faulty MOSFETs. We are removing from the logic board. एंड इसके बाद में हमारे पास एक डोनर बोर्ड है. सो डोनर बोर्ड के अंदर से हम ये जो पार्ट्स है एक्चुअली वो निकालेंगे और उसके अंदर इंस्टॉल करेंगे. तो ये जो MOSFETs है परफेक्टली इंस्टॉल हो चुका है एक्चुअली इस डिवाइस के अंदर. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू टेस्ट इट. In forward and even in reverse bias. So pin number 3256, it's the same. That was good, but pin number 324 actually there was MOSFET that was internally leakage. So now we have replaced. Now let's test and see. So guys, जैसा आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये मैकबुक फिक्स हो चुका है एक्चुअली. ऑलरेडी हमने टेस्ट कर लिया था. अब हमने इसको पूरा असेंबल कर दिया है डिवाइस को. एंड सो डिवाइस टर्न ऑन हो रहा है. इसकी ब्राइटनेस को हम इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज करके देखेंगे. सो जैसा आप लोग देख सकते हैं फुल ब्राइटनेस है एंड यहाँ पर इंक्रीज भी हो रहा है ब्राइटनेस लेवल एंड डिक्रीज भी हो रहा है. सो द इशू हैज़ बीन परफेक्टली फिक्स्ड. सो गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो सो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना. अगर इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड आपकी कोई क्वेरीज है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में आप हमें ज़रूर बताएं. हम आपको पूरी हेल्प करने की कोशिश करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.